Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the enemy. Mam Nomsa is receiving all the hatred in the world. Like Ugo has literally sacrificed her life for this church, but this church keep on giving her flames. The church members keeps on showing her Uguti. If push comes to shove, they will never choose her. They will never believe her. But Ugelge and I always puts the church pambil. They decided to take her down as the pastor. They decided to strip her of her title, strip her of everything. Girl is not coping because being umfundisi right now is the only identity that she knows, is the only life that she understands. It's a pity ukuthi ke anyeka sakhona uma Dlamini sekuhuye oholi bandla. Yes, uma Dlamini sekuhuye oholi bandla, ugirl nje uyasho ukuthi usesayidini laka Mamnomsa, but vele uyafila ukuthi uMamnomsa akahlale phansi ibandla lisapholisa amanxeba, and then izinto masezistable kuzawurevisa into kaMamnomsa ku-check ukuthi uthini. UMamnomsa is being blamed for the energy drink that is suspected to have drugs that is being circulating in the community. So now they know ukuthi the person that has been selling that umalume and not necessarily uMamnomsa. But because Mamnomsa is related to umalume, by default she is guilty, and the church has not done this for the first time, for the second time. Like they have done this multiple times to Nomsa, but Nomsa has decided ukuthi the church is the rock that she is willing, or the hill that she's willing to die on. Like literally whatever they do to her, girl keeps going back. It's like a girl that keeps on going back to an abusive relationship at this point. Uqhuma decided to deal with iphoyisa leli ebelijola nosisi wakhe. Remember ukuthi uThenjiwe nje yena into encane bamthengela ama-stocks futhi sekachamekile sekangenile. While they wanted to do the deed in the car, uguy wayesolve indaba wathi khaxa 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 bam bam bam. Kwaphela lokho kumele kuphelile. Uphoyisa is missing. Umam Rebecca is frustrated because at this point it means ukuthi if iphoyisa is not being found, Umam Rebecca business yakhe iyashika. Umam Rebecca wants uQhuma found alive nje, so that he can explain ukuthi what did he do to the policeman, and if there's anything that he did to the policeman, where is the policeman, because that person was bringing money. Le lama energy drink kahle kahle it looks like wakamam Rebecca. With that said, he asked the bodyguard slash boyfriend, because now they are honey Davi or Lavi Davi nje. So the boyfriend says, if I don't get full details, I'm not going to go and catch Uqhuma. I said, relax, ngizothola usibanibani ukuthi usibanibani angiyele. How is it going to end? We know what is going to end with the Sokulu family and this family not getting together. Uvelaphi is addicted to this thing now, and Ugai cannot live without it. They are thinking of taking him to rehab. He has previously escaped from rehab, but they're feeling good. They should look for a new rehab where he'll be able to maintain his sobriety and be able to come back home sober. Will he be able to do it? That's another story. While Banzi is seeing umkakhe enza into zabo yoga nani zabo meditation, wabona ugayi ukuthi la ngiyaloywa straight, la ngiyodliswa, la ubuthakathi benzakala under my rose after under my roof. Buziyani uchuma umngani uchuma athi ubuloyi gijima ngithi kwasa ungasahlafuni lo muntu into bazokuphakela yona. Hayi vele I act out like that. Makabuya uNelly azolanda isikhafuthini abone ukuthi amani lo actor weird, abuze kube confrontation said, I suspect you are busy with witchcraft. I Briga, this is not witchcraft, this is meditation, and this is how I meditate. And then because this is meditation and how I meditate, this is how it works. I relax again. Guy understanding ukuthi ugel akamsebenzisile ama-chemical. Ugel wazi wamtshela ukuthi also I cannot be stupid enough to do a witchcraft in your presence, because you're going to know. So at this point he's settled. But the question is, will he be settled enough when he sees uNelly continue doing these things and believe ukuthi vele purely